Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and this is just a very quick video to share with you guys a little bit of information. So if you remember last July, there was a week of nothing but MYWALGREENS deals. One day was food, the next day was beauty, the next day was like vitamins, where you could use digital boosters and get really crazy deals. Most of it was driven through curbside, but there was a bit of magic and razzle dazzle, and this was the week of July the 24th. And most of these boosters were only valid for like one day, but you could make a deal happen and, drive to the store and get it. And it was really fantastic. That's the only time they ever had this MYWALGREENS Day event. And because of the popularity, they will be bringing it back in October. Because I'm guessing couponers are a huge part of their customer service base, and they saw a huge upswing in business. So they're like, well, let's bring this back. So the first one ran from a Sunday to a Saturday, and they even had something goofy that if you did 3 of the transactions, you'd even get like an extra $20 of Walgreens cash. So if they do something like that again, I mean, even if you picked a couple deals on the cheap, you possibly could still get that $20 bonus. I still don't know if it's there yet, but I did see something posted on Instagram, but it was found through Facebook, shared many times, that this is taking place again, because a lot of the staff is being like, here's your warning that this is going to be taking place, and they're giving the staff like weeks notice. Okay, so the information is between October the 4th to the 7th. That's when this second edition of MYWALGREENS Day will be celebrated. So the 4th is a Wednesday, so it's going to be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's no longer a week. It's an abbreviated Wednesday to Saturday. We can still make that work. Last time, as memory serves, it was a lot of curbside offers, and for a lot of you that would enjoy shopping through the comforts of your home or cell phone and just drive and go get your stuff, is a little bit of comfort to that. You don't have to go in the store, and it's pretty easy. And in their memo, they had cited that it was such a successful event and so many more people were signing up for the MYWALGREENS program. That's why they want to bring this back. And it was just a win. So I'm really looking forward to that. I know that just even looking at the videos that I produced, they had a huge thing to do with food. It was like spend 20, get back 10, and people loved that deal. The food, the beauty, which was spend 40, get back either 20 or 25. That was also fantastic. And then the last day of it, I think it was like spend 10 on any curbside offer, get 10 back. And then if you did 3 of those, you got an extra 20. So it was always a big money maker towards the end of the week. So I'm curious what they're going to give to us, because they're not giving us an entire week. We're only having Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We're having 4 days instead of the 7. What will they provide? The best of, the most popular. Even this week with that little 40% back when you buy anything in store, like that was some magic right away. So I'm really looking forward to this. Mathematically, for us nerds, it's really one of these things where we love to see the best deals. When you can get stuff like body wash or Tide or even Walgreens brand toilet paper on a very cheap promotion with MYWALGREENS Day, there's some serious benefits to this. And I don't know why Rite Aid and CVS isn't taking a page from Walgreens' book and promoting something similar to this, because it really creates quite a buzz. And this is even more exciting, honest to God, than the Dollar General clearance event. So much more interest in this than anything. So just brace yourself again. Things are going to really start getting crazy on the 5th, 6th, and 7th of October. Really looking forward to it. Just wanted to share the info I had with you guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.